KidloLand.
The class is in session. Today, Bibo and his friends Mino, Paulo, and Sarah are learning about the monuments of the world. The teacher tells them all about the magnificent landmarks in different countries. They are awestruck. They look at the book handed out to them. Ah, how wonderful would it be to visit all of these places? Bibo and his friends are in India. Do you know what they're about to see? The Taj Mahal. Complete the Taj Mahal. Suddenly, a gust of wind takes Bibo and his friends to a different country. Clever little Sarah discovers that they are in the Colosseum in Italy. Tap the helmet when it appears. They're in a different country again. Mino sees the Great Wall. They are in China. Oh no! Some tourists have littered this wonder of the world. Tap to pick up the trash. They're in the United States of America now. To reveal the Statue of Liberty, swipe with your finger. Next, Bibo and his friends arrive in Paris. It's evening time here. Tap on all the clouds. Bibo and his friends are delighted. They don't want this trip to end. All of a sudden, the school bell rings. Uh-oh! Looks like they were daydreaming in class. Thanks for going on a dreamy world tour with Bibo and his friends. See you next time!